Ever wonder why your phone lasts all day, but your smartwatch dies so much quicker? It's not just about screen size or how much you use them. It's about something called battery capacity. We're going to break down this essential concept today, so you can finally understand what those milliampere hour numbers on your devices actually mean and why it matters for all your gadgets. What is battery capacity? Battery capacity is basically your battery's fuel tank size. The bigger the number, the more energy it can store, and the longer your device can run. Units. You'll usually see measurements. Amp hours. Milliamp hours is common in phones, power banks. Watt hours. Watt hours is used in bigger batteries like laptops, e-bikes. Kilowatt hours is used in electric vehicles. Here's the simple rule. Higher milliamp hour or watt hour equals longer battery life, but only if the device uses energy at the same rate. So a phone with 5,000 milliamp hours will usually last longer than one with 3,000 milliamp hours. Milliamp hour is good for comparing small batteries. Watt hour is the more accurate measure because it tells you the total energy stored, no matter the voltage. Think of watt hour as the true size of the fuel tank. Quick formula if you ever need it. How long will it last? Even a big battery can drain fast if the device uses a lot of power, like high brightness, heavy apps, or motors. So capacity is only half the story, power usage is the other half. And that's it. Battery capacity equals how big the energy tank is. Bigger tank means longer runtime. Simple. If you find this video useful, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.